team here in the UK and across Nikken Europe has a tremendous work ethic, and the roots of that is really from the outset in Japan. The Japanese working day will start at 7 and probably never finishes, and we've always carried on this 24/7 approach, believing that our customers will really value that collaboration.
In respect of craftsmanship and what we put into our products, this all starts from our former president, Mr. Matsumoto. He was a subcontract manufacturer. He went out to the market, had a look around to see tool holders, rotary tables and other equipment to improve his own productivity. Didn't find what he needed, so he started developing his own solutions, and that philosophy has gone through the years and continues today.
The main thing that makes Nikken different is probably the willingness to try something new. We're not afraid to try something different, try something we've not tried before, and work on that until it's got the required precision, the required longevity or the required durability.
I think ultimately working with manufacturers is challenging. The world and the industrial landscape at the moment is a challenge. But I think it always will be, because there is always in engineering and in manufacturing this pursuit of greatness, this pursuit of doing things better. So every day you're experiencing a new challenge. We're here to support manufacturers with those challenges, and actually our engineering team quite like those challenges.
Working with manufacturers and helping them solve their problems is the best part of the job, and I think that there's a great deal of satisfaction having witnessed the improvements that our products can make on their components and helping them reduce costs and increase productivity.
In a company like Nikken, it's not just about products. It's about a culture that supports continuous improvement and a meaningful change. The spirit of innovation shows up in the way we develop precision tools, and with all these facilities here like Nikken Innovation Center Europe, we want to be close at the market, close to the customer, understand the demand. We want to improve the processes of our customer.
We strive to choose unique construction and, more importantly, unique materials. If you look at our rotary tables, for example, there is no other rotary table in the market built of a hardened core. The majority of the competitors use softer materials for the core, and that contributes to wear and degradation of performance. Whereas with Nikken, you can be assured of the reliability and the longevity of that product every day.
Nikken are a global organisation, but we're very, very proud of the fact that our roots are in Japan. Again, that's something, if you visit our facilities, you will see through the people, through our spirit and passion, or kokoro is a word that we like to use, and you'll see that symbol throughout our facilities.
From 1991 through to 97, we represented UK only. As I sit here today, we're active in 27 countries. So it is the breadth, really, of the growth across lots of different cultures. So at the moment we support all the business levels across the whole of Europe, but beyond that, you saw into Turkey, we do business in the Middle East, we do business in Australia.
As Nikken, the vast majority of our products are built and manufactured at our main site in Japan. And in Europe, at our innovation centre is really where we develop those products. So we make sure that they're working the best for our customers. So whether that's designing a new product or showing a customer how to use the product, we accomplish all of that locally to the customer. So there's no massive amounts of travel involved. The manufacturing of our products, we've got a lot of it in-house, so it's very vertically integrated. So by keeping all of our manufacturing processes in-house, we keep a tighter control over the finished product.
Nikken is at the pinnacle of what we do, and it's all about precision and performance and looking after the customer and giving them an excellent ROI on everything they need.
I would define craftsmanship really as expertise and attention to detail. We're talking about microns in the world of manufacture. Every little counts. And having that passion really to take care in the manufacture and in the products you're creating, that's true craftsmanship. And I think that's something that runs deep through our Japanese roots.
The team here at Nikken is fantastic. They all understand and develop their kokoro. The symbol in Japanese represents the human heart. What that means is a commitment to our business and a commitment to our customers.